how to open multiple Roblox games at once. So if you want to open multiple Roblox games at once, then here's the guide. Sometimes you might want to try out multiple Roblox games at the same time. Maybe to switch between games faster or just for fun. Here's how you can open more than one Roblox game on your computer. First, make sure Roblox is installed on your computer. Go to the search bar on your PC and search for Roblox Player Installer. Then click on Open. You'll see the setup start automatically. You need to wait for the installation to complete. This installs the main Roblox player you'll use to play games. Next, you need to go back and then open up your Microsoft Store. In the search bar, at the top, type Roblox and press Enter. If Roblox appears on the home page, click on it. And after that, tap on Download to start the installing process. And you will have the Microsoft version of your Roblox. You'll notice the download progress on your screen. Wait till it's fully installed. Once both versions are installed, open the Roblox player first. This is the one you will use to play, or this is the one that you have installed manually. So go and log into your account and start playing your first game, and then open up your Roblox app from your Microsoft Store. Log in again using the same or a different account, and now you'll be able to start another game at the same time. Both Roblox versions work separately, so you can play two games at once without closing one to open the other. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.